In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing a project, tracking inventory, or managing a team, Smartsheet is a powerful tool designed to help you streamline and organize your work effectively. There might be times when you want to declutter your view or protect certain information temporarily without deleting it. In these situations, hiding columns becomes incredibly useful. So let's walk through how you can easily achieve this. To begin, open up your Smartsheet document and navigate to the spreadsheet where you'd like to hide a column. In Smartsheet, your columns are denoted by letters at the top of each column, much like you'd see in traditional spreadsheet programs. Let's say there's a particular column that's filled with data you don't need to see right now. Or perhaps you simply want to simplify the view for a meeting or to focus on other relevant sections. First, move your cursor over the column header of the specific column you wish to hide. This header is basically the letter located at the top of the column. As you hover your mouse over this letter, you'll notice a drop-down arrow appearing beside the column header. This arrow signals that you have more options available for that particular column. The next step is straightforward. Click on this newly appeared drop-down arrow. By clicking it, you're essentially opening up a menu of actions that you can perform on the column. Among the various options that this menu presents, you should look for the choice labeled Hide Column. It should be easy to spot. Once you find it, simply click on Hide Column. And just like that, the column will disappear from your immediate view, giving you a tidier and more focused workspace. Utilizing the hide function can significantly improve your workflow and organization. It's important to note that hiding a column doesn't delete or alter the data it contains. The information stays intact, just hidden from sight until you choose to view it again. This ensures that you can quickly revert to your complete data set with ease, without any loss of information when you're ready to access it again. If you need to bring the hidden column back into view, Smartsheet allows you to easily reverse this action. You can simply go to the column settings at the top of your Smartsheet, where you'll find options to unhide any columns. So, there you have it, a quick and simple way to hide columns in Smartsheet, helping you maintain focus and clarity in managing your projects. With this handy feature, you can keep your workspace clean, organized, and customized based on your current needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you work more efficiently in Smartsheet.